Hey, what's up? This is Left Technical, and you're watching the demo video for Able Opus Elements. Able Opus Elements is my interactive periodic table of elements, and it's open source. If you would like to take a look at it or be a part of my team, then send me an email address. I got a new email address. Very nice. The first button here, watch Meet the Elements. This boots up a educational video by They Might Be Giants, and every time they mention a element in the video, it displays or gets selected in the periodic table of elements. It's pretty sweet, and I don't think you're gonna be able to hear the music. There's an option to save the table as an image. The image is a simplified version of this table. You can just save it wherever on your hard drive. There's an option to find the element, so I can type in any element name, and it's got this kind of smart find thing here that was built into the text box. So I'll just find niobium. The element information will come up about the element, and it will be selected in the form. And this little element info control shows information about selected elements, or if there is no element selected, it just kind of shows information about the element that your mouse is over. So I'm just going to double click on an element, molybdenum or whatever, molybdenum, and you'll see that there's basic information about the element, and there's a picture of the element, a nice high-res picture of it. There's an option to look it up on Wikipedia, and I've also got this super special Bohr-Rutherford diagram, and I made a generator to generate this diagram for me. It takes in information about the shells and the atomic mass and number, and it creates a diagram for me. I was quite proud of it. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be not sure if the electrons are supposed to be situated next to each other like that on valence shells, but it's good enough for now. Okay, so next up is the game that I have called Guess the Element. There are 3 difficulty modes here: easy, moderate, and hard. Easy, only the first 50 elements will be used for the session, and moderate, only the first 82 elements will be used, and hardened, all of them will be used. And there's an option to guess the element name or guess the element acronym. We're going to guess the element name here. Okay, so if I click something wrong, the button blinks and the correct answer blinks red twice or 3 times, I'm not sure. This is actually a really good way of remembering the acronyms for the elements and the elements associated with the acronyms. So here's the post-game kind of lobby. It tells me how many matches I've gotten, how many mismatches I've gotten. There were 50 in total questions, and I've got 42 correct and 8 wrong. And the 8 that I've gotten wrong are listed down here below. So I was presented with thallium here, TL, and I guessed thorium, so that's going to be added to the wrong list and displayed at the end of the game. Okay, there's also just this about window here. Here's a link to my sources, my image sources, and a link to my website here. Very good. That's the demo vid for Able Opus Elements. See you later.